What happens with a child custody case during a divorce? Attorney Kenneth Raggio says, people will say they want a certain type of custody. They want this and they want that, but everything is very fact-specific. Although there are norms, such as one parent establishing the primary home with the majority of school nights, which will determine where the child or children go to school, with the other parent getting a few school nights and every other weekend, and they'll split holidays in summer. And that seems to work out for a lot of people. Having said that, while that's kind of a standard, there are all sorts of parenting plans out there. The best thing for the children is for the parents to be cooperative and not brand their bad behavior on their kids and scar them with the process. It generally works for shared parenting when there is a close geographic proximity between the parents' two houses after the divorce, especially if they only have to walk a few blocks from school to go to each parent's house. What helps is if the child's activities are not impacted by having two separate households. In our day and age, that isn't easy to accomplish, especially in large metro areas. For instance, in Collin or Denton County, it would be hard for both parents to try to live in Duncanville. That would make things very impractical. Every case has a solution if the parties are willing to work in the kids' interest, as opposed to fighting for their own terms and what they believe is their divine right to determine. Things like, well, my husband had an affair, therefore he shouldn't see the kids at all, is a feeling. But it has nothing to do with the kids. Exceptions to the general rule are addiction or abuse. An abusive situation will be looked at very carefully before anyone else is put into the line of fire, sometimes literally. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Kenneth Raggio in Dallas, Texas at 214-880-7503 or visit him on the web at www.raggiolaw.com.